Hello there. Well, I'm starting a bit late with this stream, already in the middle of doing this. Um, yeah, so fixing some bugs. Basically, the idea here is that let's see if I got this. Uh, I'm adding this cursor here, right? Now, the maybe it would be a good idea to start with the navigation schema, like the general one, and then to explain a little bit like what is the change that I'm actually doing. Uh, and so the current navigation of Schema is keyboard and mouse. I think I've taken a lot of inspiration from the software that I'm making it in and vvvv, and also other software that I've made it in, but a very like long-term idea, something that I really wanted to have there since pretty much almost day one, as far as I remember, is the ability to control it kind of, like lay back and then maybe take an Xbox controller. Uh, yeah, I'm not running with the video camera, but you can imagine an Xbox controller, right? And basically being able to program all of this with that. Uh, it could be similar in a software like Dreams on PlayStation, where you are able to program visually these nodes and you're connecting things and basically working with something like this, but with the controller. At least that's what I understand from the videos. I've never actually played it myself, but I think you can go like a step further with an interface like this, which is basically based on a really clear grid, and everything can be selected basically with a cursor like this, right? So you can navigate left and right, and instead of kind of having to use the mouse, now I'm holding control to enable the edit mode, and kind of pointing where I want it to be added, or like where I want something to be added. Let's say I would like the dim to be added here, dimming the color a little bit. Now I have no idea why it became this gray. That's okay. That's interesting. But anyways, right? So that's the current kind of approach. You can hold this control, you get into this edit mode, and then you get these places where you can place a new block, and you place it there. This could also work with a sort of drag and drop system where maybe you could have like a palette here and bring it in here. But that's not the way how it is designed right now. And what I'm focusing on is having the ability to basically not have to touch the mouse at all. I can just leave it somewhere here. And then I want to be able to basically take this cursor, uh, go wherever I want to edit, hold this, and then kind of press to the side and do the appropriate action. So meaning if I press up, I would be pressing, I would be creating a node, like a block above this. If I press right, I will create uh, a block to the side and so on and below, all the kind of options that I have right now. So how am I doing this? Mm, I can see that the frame rate of the stream is kind of bad. I can see that on the side. One would think that running with like a proper computer with an NVIDIA Titan Black, yes, it's old, but it should be able to do, encoding of a stream. Should be enough, but clearly it is not. Uh, Audio bitrate. I'm not sure. Let's see. CPU is not okay. The GPU is like struggling. So it may be that actually video encode. Okay. Wow. Wow. Okay. Okay, I see. So maybe CPU. Let's try that.